How to optimize your store. Optimizing your store can be said to be the most direct way to increase the traffic to your store. Why would I say so? You must be wondering and guessing, how could changing just a few words in settings on the site generate traffic to my store? This is closely related to the search engine optimization, which I'm going to talk about the full details here, because it's a totally different topic. Back to the topic, when you optimize your store to be SEO friendly, your store is more likely to show up on search results when people are looking for certain keywords. And this is why optimizing your store is important. So, without any further ado, let's get going. Just like I've mentioned now, optimizing your store can increase your ad rank in the search engine. For instance, when people are looking for the keyword Shopify on Google, the first page that shows up on the search results page would be Shopify. That being said, the ad rank of Shopify ranked first. When the ad rank of your store increases, it increases the traffic to your store as well. When you improve your store's visibility and make it easy for your potential customers to access your service, the traffic to your store would be boosted as well. Last but not least, it increases your profits as well. As you can see from here, these reasons are all tied closely to each other. Optimizing your store can actually lead to a better ad rank, better quality of traffic, hence better profits as well. So why wait for traffic when you can actually make it happen? While there's no one-size-fits-all strategy for online store owners to optimize their store, because different types of stores require different types of methods, they need to have a few strategically planned methods to improve the web presence. I've listed out a few methods that will help you to optimize your Shopify store and achieve higher ranking and more traffic. Here they are. Write unique content, configure your website setting, search engine optimization, and give out promotional codes. Let's have a look into each method one by one now. First things first, you will need to write unique content for your store. However, before you can even start with writing unique content, you need to research on the keywords that you're going to use for your store. For instance, if you're selling watches on Shopify, look for a keyword that could represent your store. Fully utilize Google AdWords to look for a profitable keyword. Once you have the keyword for your store, start writing the original content for your store. Always remember, do not duplicate content from other sites. When I'm talking about original content, it means you will need to write everything from scratch. Only original content can increase the ad rank. Each and every time you're writing for your store, try to use different kinds of keywords. When you expand the range of your keywords, the visibility of your store will be better because your store is more likely to appear on the search results when you have a variety of keywords. The content on your store is not limited to the product description. It can include blog posts, reviews, social proof, information about your upcoming promotions, social media updates, and so on. Generate content regularly and provide fresh content that will satisfy the search engines as well as your regular customers. You definitely do not want people to always see the same page over and over again when they go to your store. As I mentioned, include your clients' testimonials. It could be a good social proof for your store. When someone else is commenting on your products and giving good reviews, it creates a huge impact to the readers, more so than what you could do. So including clients' testimonials could be a good method to optimize your store as well. Moving on to the next method, configure your website settings. This may require a little bit of technical know-how, as you will need to ensure the page loading speed is fast. The page loading speed of your website can have a tremendous effort on its ability to convert visitors. It's been often observed that visitors are actually exiting the store if the site loads slowly. Speed is everything in these days. People would expect things to be fast. Therefore, make sure to optimize the speed of your store as well. If you don't have this knowledge, you could contact the web host, in this case Shopify, to solve the problem. And then ensure to link the product page from your home page. This is a major problem for most of the people out there, especially those who are new to this business. They can possibly forget to link the product page to the home page. This could cause a bad web experience for the visitors, which will lead to bad impressions and a bad reputation. Search engine optimization. I've mentioned this from the beginning. I'll only touch the basics of SEO here because this topic deserves a whole chapter to explain. As some of you may know, SEO is all about keywords. Therefore, look for different keywords to put on your store. Optimize the images of your store. Did you know that you can actually search the name of an image through the search engine? How you name the images that you upload to your store can actually help you to increase your SEO as well. Lastly, optimize the anchor text on your store. You can easily enhance the visibility of your store by adding keywords to the internal links. Instead of simply writing "click here," choose something interesting and catchy. You can even include keyword-rich links and link similar products together. It functions just like hashtags. You can also give out promotional codes to optimize your store as well. Simply drop email or private messages to your potential customers about this upcoming promotion. When you conduct an event on your store, and you could actually optimize and run ad campaigns for the event. This could possibly increase the visibility of your store as well. You can hold events on your store occasionally, such as Christmas sales or Valentine's sales. According to research, people are more likely to spend on special occasions than the normal days, so don't miss those chances to boost your traffic and sales by conducting your own promotional events.